Teto to single out was story precisely o senator bwe county ya Kisumu Richard Momwe Munyuka. Okorire kiriaga niri gukora no senator for the 4 years abera bisi.
Yes. Emirimo ya senator. Number 1, no legislate. Ubeka machiko alia agokonya abantu baye ase a county se bunge la ugatuzi ya agokora emirimo. Elia kabere okora mangana oversight. Yes. But I want to say that part that akora buya ase she levels chia ase county level. Right. Sub county cheto tobwate kianda tara kora intense oversight as implementation age project chia omugabana kya the role ya oversight here both in the national government oversight the president, the line ministries, GPS, GCS, state parastatal institutions manya koira na ase iga stokoroka igabana ase watabokoreri Ntebe generally as oversight general has tried in the national level. Right. As issues, very pertinent issues as obokari serikali yenene lakini ende twarore nainde okobeke meswada gose okorangiria korende kobeka invitations ya sumugabana guchiwa pia in the Senate Accounts Committee yuko the Public Accounts Committee. Right. Ya finance ase ochikoiraniria maborio aliakorwa ase the Auditor General. So generally oversight otemire no yo Nyamira has really tried karo okora rating ase gusi and the Nyanza as a whole. The two governors have really tried to do that kwende ya oversight oinyore nga senator kemutominto talikoye kubese chia development. Sure. Igo bakoye guchibese chinke igo cheers around 17 million bakoye gupayia. And oinyore ndemba bwate kinase court that kiale kobori nga teli necessary baye guchibese lakini ekaro kurigireria asigazi ali bakora mbwente banyore chibese chigokorega asiria ya oversight. Right. So tabwa chibese akora projects. So togocha wanza kumubeke level yo mubunge okaye uchibese chia the National Government Constituency Development Fund. Right. Or yo women rep amoni yo mugabana abarabo they are very autonomous that they don't carry out or implement any tangible meaningful development. Right. As a project. Right.